Good afternoon and welcome to my channel. My name is Robin and today is Stitchfix time. I get these probably every 2 to 3 weeks and I haven't been happy with the last couple, but that's okay. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like my content and me in general, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. It really helps me out. And if you're returning, you know how much I love you guys, appreciate you watching me. And you know, it's hard because it's getting warm out in Arizona. It's pushing 80, but then it gets cold at night, and then we get cold again for a couple days, and then it gets warm, and then I hear it's snowing in certain parts of the country. So let's see what she sent me. I've been having Susie, and then there's a part on when you check out that you can ask for the same stylist, and I have been asking because I've been with her long enough that she kind of knows me. So when you open the box, of course, there's the envelope to return what you don't want to keep. There is the nasty price sheet. And then there is your style card. And I normally don't read my style cards to you guys. I just kind of read them to myself. But I checked to see who my stylist. And we still have Susie. So I'm glad that they're not changing my style. So we have a bundle and pretty basic colors. But if you look on this side, I see some blue, like my blue. And, ooh, piece of jewelry. And there's either two shoes. They're feeling kind of heavy, so they might be boots. Although Dennis says I have way too many boots. And we all know that men don't know what way too many boots are. So I'm gonna go for these first. Ooh, look at these. I don't have a lot of these kind. What are they called? Booty, I'm not sure what these are called. I'll look at my sheet later, but what a pretty color. And look at this. I know I won't be able to show this detail when I try them on because if I go to pick up my foot, I'll fall over. But they're a nice heel and they're suede, so I'll probably, if I kept them, would have to spray them down. But I am liking these. They're probably way expensive. So I like that. And then let's open the jewelry. I don't request earrings because they normally send pairs and I can't wear them. But look at this beautiful necklace, and it is by Ralph Lauren. So again, gonna be way expensive, but it is silver and it is beautiful. I won't take it out of the packaging until I try it on, so I'm definitely gonna try it on because it looks like a good length, and it also looks very pricey. So Susie, you're killing me already. And I think I asked her for like a complete outfit because they send like, I think last time I got all tops or maybe one pair of pants. So I just kind of wanted to where I can just throw on a complete outfit. So let's see. So far she sent the jewelry and the boots, so there you go. And a pair of jeans. And I'm kind of gaining some weight here, so some of these jeans just have not, I go to put them on and they make me look a little chunky. It's all the jeans' fault, not my fault. So we have a pair of, I can't read the brand, I can't read it. Can. I don't know if I've heard of that brand. And they're Carry Skinny Distressed Jeans, indigo, and they're a size 8, so I'm not sure. And they're really kind of a neat jean. I don't think I have. It's kind of an off color for me. I mean, it's a blue jean, but it's not exactly like totally blue. And then it's got this, and on the bottom, it's kind of cool. It's got this on the bottom, so if I wear them with those, whatever they're called, sandally booty things, it'll look kind of cool. This looks like a very expensive fix. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to go back to work. Everywhere I go in town, they're hiring. My favorite place, which is Sonic, they're hiring. I'm like, I'm gonna work here so I can get free Sonic. And then we have this beautiful sweater by Letty Me, and it is the Elsie side ribbed pullover in gray, and it's a size large. And I am loving this color, but I'll show you more when I try it on if it doesn't show my lumps. It's got the ribbing on the side, and it's got these silver buttons that'll go beautiful with that necklace. I might have to get an extra large in case it shows those lumps. But so far, that is a perfect outfit. And then there is another sweater. And this is a nice, it's just a plain, and this is by Pink Clover. And it is the Catalina scoop neck, light gray in a large. And it's got that detail, and it's just got the white. I probably at this time of year don't need them, but you know the Stitchfix math, if you like 4 pieces, you have to get 5 just for the discount. So I do like all the pieces. It's gonna be a matter of price and if they show all my lumps and bumps. So I will be right back with the try on. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna have to lower the camera a little bit. And I came outside, so it's gonna be probably a little noisy, but I am wearing the Ralph Lauren Lauren Demi Crystal light blue necklace. I think this is the Lefty and Me side ribbed pullover, the Dolce Vita, and they're calling it the Rande suede heel in brown, and the Can Carry Skinny Distressed jean in indigo. So this is the necklace. I'll try to get closer so you can see. It fits nice. There were like 3 different sizes, and this was the biggest size. So I would have to wear it on this because otherwise it would probably be too tight. And, oops, you're falling. I'm going to try to tip you over without tipping you over. Hope there's not too much of a glare, but I'm loving the colors. These are the buttons, and hopefully you can see the ribbing over here. I'd have to wear different like Spanx or something under here because it does show the belly because of the jeans. So I'll turn around. So the neighbors are wondering what I'm doing. Oh well. but I do like the way it fits. As I said, I'd have to wear like Spanx or something because of the way the jeans are pushing up the belly. Blaming those jeans. And see if you can see. Okay, I brought you inside because the neighbor is drilling. So here's the shirt again. I don't know if you could see it anyway because of the sun, but here's the ribbing and with the slit. So I do kind of like this, but again, I'll have to wear like Spanx or something to pull this in. And these are the jeans. Try not to flash my belly. I like the way they fit. I'm gonna have to wear them for a while because, you know, they kind of stretch out. They fit great now, but they do stretch out. And they have that, I don't know what you call that. It like fades through this part of the leg down the knee. And then I'll show you the what the bottom looks like. And see if you can see it with the boots, the little booty things. If you can see that. But it's got this part here, and those are the booties. Hello, can you see them? And they're super cute, but they have that pointy toe. I don't know if I like the pointy toe, but I do like the braiding. And I don't know if I like the pointy toe, but I like the bottom of the jeans. But what do you think of that pointy toe? It's got that like witchy toe. Gotta pull you back up. All these, you know, right when I go to film, the neighbors are out. I don't know. But I like this, and then I am going to be right back with the last top since I'm already wearing 4 pieces. So give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back with this last top, and it's the Pink Clover Catalina scoop neck in light gray. And it's very soft. Try not to drop you. It's got the crisscross. I left the necklace on. And it's got the varsity kind of sleeves. And of course my belly is sticking out. And it fits okay. I left those jeans on to see how they would work out. And of course they're already like falling down here. But I know if I wear a belt, they would probably stay up. So, but I didn't want to put the belt on so it would stick out here. But I do like the distressing at the bottom, and I can wear it with boots or with sandals. So, what do you think of this one? And I'll be right back and we'll do the recap. Okay, I thought this was a great box. I just don't know if I need 2 long sleeves, and the toe on these boots, I just don't do this type of toe, but I love the color. I love this braiding. Now we'll see how much this fix cost. Susie, you're killing me. Okay, so the Ralph Lauren, this beautiful necklace, which, excuse me, I love. Are you ready? $58. I don't know if I love this enough. So if I did the buy all, I might love it enough. the Lefty and Me, the pullover that I am totally, oh, I left it, which I'm totally in love with, is $48, which is not bad for their pullover. The Pink Clover Catalina Scoop in the light gray is $34, so this is a little cheaper, which isn't bad for, and it's so soft. And the brown sandals, which I'm totally not in love with, they're $95, which isn't bad, I guess, for a suede sandal. And these jeans, I think they fit great. I know if I wore a belt that they wouldn't sag in, you know, that area there. And they're $62, which is not bad for a Stitchfix jean. And if I did the buy all, well, first of all, the total price of the fix is $297. So for 5 pieces, 5 great pieces is not bad. But I don't need the 2 and the 2 long sleeves, not this time of year. And I'm just not crazy about that pointy toe. And $60 for this necklace, yeah. So, but if I did the buy all, or the buy all, you got the 25%, it would take off $74.25, which wouldn't even pay for the boots, and which I don't love. So that would bring it down to $222.75 for the 5 pieces, which isn't bad, but I just don't, yeah. So, but if I kept the jeans and that pullover that I love, that would be a little over $100 because I'd have to pay tax. And tax out in Arizona, I think, is what, 8-9%. So it would be $100 for the jeans and that top. So I do like both the pieces. I just have to wear the jeans a little bit longer and put them on with the belt because, as I said, like after a few hours and they start to sag in that area, Dennis just makes so much fun of me because he's like, you know, it's like you're wearing a diaper because the pants just... So I'll have to see about that. But let me know what you think. I really think Susie did a great job, except with the pointy toe. She probably did know I didn't like a pointy toe. So as always, thank you so much for taking time out to watch. And don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. And I'll see you in the next video.